We're all kind of walking around going, why do I feel like that? Outdoor impacts through the weekend are going to be very, very poor when it comes to that air quality, and also looking at the allergy factor as well. We're going to allergies with those ragweeds at a very high index. Also, something else to watch out for the weekend is going to be that sunshine, a very high UV index of an 8 all weekend long. So still some major impacts for outdoor plans in East Tennessee throughout the weekend. The only good news, a very low humidity factor. So what the thermometer says is what it's going to feel like. Have a great weekend, be safe, and hopefully you don't sniffle too much.